This video is sponsored by GoPort, who offer hotel, airport transfer, and parking packages to Port Canaveral cruisers. For the night before our cruise, we stayed at the Hampton Inn Suites in Port Canaveral. We stayed in a standard king room, which was very large and comfortable. We found that there was plenty of storage, as well as a variety of plugs to keep things charged. In the center area was a large TV, a mini fridge, microwave, and a set of drawers. Next to that on the desk was a Keurig coffee maker with all the supplies. Next to that ice-cold AC was a very comfortable reading chair. On each side of the bed were 2 US plugs and 2 USB outlets. My favorite part was that the light on the alarm clock could be dimmed. The closet was a good size and included some hangers as well as an iron and an ironing board. A door was shared between the closet and the bathroom. The bathroom was spacious and clean, had a lot of counter space and amenities. The shower was fairly large as well and was hot and had great water pressure. Because this building held the Hampton Inn Suites and Home 2 suites, it was a fairly large lobby. They offered breakfast every morning and had free coffee throughout the day. There was an extensive mini-mart that had snacks, toiletries, beer, wine, and even some frozen items. There was a free business center too, which was perfect for printing out luggage tags or any important cruise-related documents. We were able to start our vacation early with the great outdoor space that they had. There was a large zero-entry pool, an outdoor bar that was packed at night, a fire pit, and plenty of lounge seating. After grabbing some dinner, we took a short 10-minute drive to the beach. We really loved how close the Hampton Inn was to the cruise port. But the best part was, after we left our car at GoPort's secure parking facility, we were taken straight to the port. With GoPort's parking package, we only paid a fraction of what it would have cost to park directly at the port. And that was a savings that went a long way. To learn more about GoPort and the packages they offer, click the link in the description below.